Parang let's say nasa deathbed na tayo, parang sana hindi ko sinabi sa kanila kung gaano ko sila kamahal. You'd never say that. Pero sa wedding, doon sinasabi, doon ini-express. Kasi kung hindi sa wedding, saan pa? Usually hindi naman araw-araw sinasabi. Pero mas maganda kung araw-araw pwedeng sabihin, di ba? But you'll never regret saying it enough eh. Di ba? You'll never regret getting to do it and getting to say it. Or yan ang gusto kong alagaan.
Kaya ikaw, ang pinili. Kahit wala pa kami nabubuk na iba.
Really?
Yeah.
Actually, sinabi niya lang sa akin, so ganito, itong si ano, sabi, kilala ko si Boy Backup, sabi niya, nakikita ko yan, magalingan ko.
Just trust that whatever I mentioned that I would love to take care of and I'll aim to take care of, yan talaga yun. You can do it in your backyard, will still be better. You know what I mean? And that's the truth, because at the end of the day, you don't need a lot.
Yeah, so,
You know what I mean?
Yung tao, pag kinausap mo ng maalala lang, hindi yung pagkain talaga, then yung host mo gano'ng kasaya yung
It's relationships eh. Like,
Talaga.
you don't even need me. I'm telling you, you don't even need me. It's just that I just align myself to that.
Yung ipapakita mo na kung paano mo mai-uplift yung parang spirit nila para
Maging bukas. And I realized my role can also, if you have someone that really just, even a stranger, like someone like me, and I am a stranger, just to have a human being support it. Kasi lahat naman tayo, pare-pare yung emosyon nararamdaman natin eh, di ba? Iba-iba yung pinagdadaanan, pero pare-pare yung nararamdaman, di ba? To have someone support it, I realized it's such a humbling role na, uy, nabigay mo sa kanila yun, yung si mama at papa nakasayaw, or uy, nagsalita si papa, uy, umiyak sila ni mama, uy, maging mas close sila ni mama dahil doon. Pero, you support it, it's the best.